Okay, so, this is my third reaction for the night. He, did a second video of me dancing. I still didn't know. Just, by the way, I do like Michael Jackson. No, that is not where I got my name. My name is MJ. But, let's see how this goes.
Oh, we have a question on Facebook if this is our real names. It's not, it's just a stage name.
Oh, yeah, stage name. Good time to tell them now. But, okay.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh, she was copying me the whole time.
Go back.
Watch that. Watch.
Yeah, you blow the kiss right there. Yep.
Right there.
You blow a kiss. She does the same thing. See?
That's look, she does that way too. Still gonna kill you though.
No. Don't.
That's it.
No. Ow.